Another of the major reasons that an index does not get used is because of a lack of selectivity, either in the index itself or in the column supplied in the where clause. Take, for example, the query shown on the screen, which is going to get all the applicants who reside in the state of California. The problem here is that the query just isn't selective enough. We'll return over 10% of the rows from the table with this query, and when Oracle does the math, it will actually be more expensive to use the index than to just read the table directly in a full table scan. So to solve this problem, we need to improve the selectivity. If our index has only one column in it, and this column is not very selective on its own, then we need to add additional columns to the index so we have more distinct keys in our index and improve the selectivity of the index. This isn't enough though. We also need to make sure to include those columns in the where clause of our SQL statement. Remember, the selectivity of an index for a particular statement is based not on the total number of columns in the index, but on the number of columns in a consecutive sequence from the front of the index that the SQL statement is using. So you want to make sure not just that your index is selective, but also your where clause is selective. And this will help ensure that an index operation is the most efficient way to perform the SQL statement, and Oracle will use the index.